Hi, do you want to clone your voice free for your videos? Well, let's begin.
Yes, friends, if you want to clone your voice for free. So you will find options on this website. Number 1 and number 2, and then below, you get all these settings. You have to record your voice first. Or, if you have your own recorded voice, you can upload it here. Or you can design an AI voice. AI voice design is the process of creating unique, synthetic voices from text descriptions. We have to clone our voice here. I will click on Record Audio here and my language is Urdu. This site only has to detect audio, be it in any language. And it should be 5 to 7 seconds long, so I record here in Urdu.
ये ज़रूरी है कि आप अपनी आवाज़ को रिकॉर्ड करके रखो।
Now, before clicking on next step, look at the two options. One is light noise reduction and the second is the music and environment removal. Check whichever option you want to check. I leave it on default, light noise reduction. And here you have the name of this voice, just like my name is Kaiser, so I will write that. And after that, I will click on next step. Your voice will be uploaded here. After the uploading is complete, your voice will be available here. Now, number 2 is the input text and select cloning model. Now below you have to select the voice cloning model. You can choose any of these three options. I am choosing Kiki Multilingual. I recorded my voice in Urdu, but the prompt has English text, so it automatically detects that it is English. If I delete this English text from here, and here if I paste any Urdu text, so it has automatically detected that the prompt text is in Urdu language. But we will clone English here, not Urdu. So, as soon as we paste or write English text here, it will automatically detect that language. I have selected the Kiki Multilingual here. Then below are the model features and exclusive settings. Keep the voice gender up to auto detect or according to your gender, as I have selected male. Now you will know that the English spoken in every country has its own accent. Leave it on auto default, or here is a list of these countries in front of you. Should I have a United States accent or a United Kingdom accent? I select United Kingdom because their accent is a bit interesting. And then you can see the more general settings below. And here, suppose I slow down my voice speed a little bit. You can select the format you want the audio in. I am selecting MP3 as the output format. And now here you want the voice in standard quality or high quality. If you use high quality or similar things here, which will use more of your credits, you get 60,000 credits every week. With these 60,000 credits you can easily make 10 to 12 videos. Or it depends on the length of your videos. Now I click on Clone Voice Now. Now, here the voice cloning task is in progress. And after progressing, this is the text written in the prompt in your voice. Now I'll play it here, and you can listen to it.
We'll break down each technique in a simple and practical way, so beginners can follow along while advanced users can refine their workflow.
Now, you can download this voice from here. And you can give this voice any name you want here, like I'm naming it, clone here. You can see below that it is in MP3 format and save it now. Now I'll show you that this is our voice that has been saved, and I'll play it. So you see that you have cloned your voice and generated a text in your own voice.
It's a new feature in Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud called Perspective Warp. Now I have a photograph. Make a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J.
You can do free AI voice cloning online on this website, kikivoice.ai. And from where you can also design AI voice. In the voice design prompt text, you have to write the prompt exactly as you want it to sound. And it will design the voice according to the prompt you wrote. Click here for a quick examples, click to insert, below to explore up to 300 plus voice templates. But in this video, I want to tell you how you can clone your voice. Here in just 3 steps, we can clone our voice and get its output result. I have shown you how to record your voice, or upload your recorded voice and click on Generate. You will definitely like this video regarding the introduction of this website. Well, that's about it. This is Kaiser Qureshi saying, keep learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.